Kule minyaka leyengcile masipala waseKapa beka lokwakhala ngokusalakala kwendzawo ekungcwaba kubhedvuka kwe-COVID-19 sekungetile kule nkinga.
In the last week, the city has facilitated about 622 burials across our cemeteries, with 161 bodies needing to be buried at Maitland Cemetery, 121 at Valmoed, and 87 at Klip Road. There were also 231 cremations.
Sekuphakanyiswe kutsi kungcwatshwe khatsi neliviki kushiswe netidumbu kepha takhamuti tinembono lehlukene ngaloku.
It's good for the weekdays other than the weekends, because we as South Africans, the diversification country, so our different cultures, some of them, they will not allow their loved ones to be burned.
I think the best is to do cremation, because bodies are piling up and there's no space anymore at the graveyard. So I think best is to cremate the people. That will work out fine.
Lo masipala usevikini deliphelile nje kuphela kushiswa tidumbu lengemakhulu 231 letingemashumi lamane nesihlanu tebantu lababulawe yi-COVID-19.